What is IR out on Xbox One S?
Hello everyone, welcome to our video on exploring the Xbox One S today. We'll be discussing a feature that might have sparked your curiosity, the IR out port. This seemingly obscure component on your gaming console is a lot more valuable than you might realize.
What is the IR out port?
First things first, let's define what we're talking about. IR stands for infrared, a type of electromagnetic radiation used in many remote-controlled devices, like your television or sound system. The IR out port on your Xbox One S is designed to send out these infrared signals. It's a small, typically circular port located at the back of your console.
What does the IR out port do?
So, what does this IR out port do exactly? Well, when connected to an IR blaster, it can control other devices in your entertainment setup. The IR blaster sends out infrared signals that can be picked up by other infrared-enabled devices, such as your TV, sound system, or even a cable box. This means you can control many aspects of your entertainment center right from your Xbox One S, like adjusting the volume, turning the TV on or off, and more.
How to use the IR out port?
To use the IR out port, you'll need an IR blaster. Once connected, you can go into your Xbox settings, specifically under TV and One Guide, and then Device Control. From there, you can set up the IR blaster to control various aspects of your home entertainment system. Note that different systems and devices might require different setup processes, but your Xbox One S will guide you through this. There you have it. The IR out port on your Xbox One S is a small yet powerful feature that can bring your home entertainment system together and allow for a seamless integration of devices. We hope this video has helped you understand a little bit more about the functionalities of your Xbox One S. Keep gaming and enjoy your seamless and integrated entertainment experience.